Either walk, either show, either walk, either show. My people, my people. How are you doing? My name is Hadiza. It's working and it's showing very well. I want to show you that online business is delivering. This is why I'm calling you today to say, hey, if you're there working long hours, working multiple jobs, and you're still trying to make ends meet, trying to take care of your family, working long hours, you're not there to take care of your kids, or you want to travel to Nigeria and you cannot take care of your people back home. Listen, my people, there's an option. Option day, oh, option day. This is the online business that is helping myself and fellow immigrants like you create the life they want abroad. It's happening for every one of us. I'm originally from Nigeria, based in New York, United States. I work in healthcare. And guess what? Working overtime, working long hours, looking for every available shift did not cut it for me until I found a solution. I know that there was a better option to take care of my children, to take care of my family, even back home, without the stress, without the pain, without the headaches. Listen, option is here. It's digital business workshop. Come and learn. Come and we break it down step by step. Watch the webinar. We explain to you how you start this business. It's not bring people, bring people. It's not follow before you can get. No, we leverage social media. You use social media, the same social media where they post picture, the same social media where they post video. You do the same thing and you have steady customer coming in to learn, hey, how are you doing this? How can I do this? I will show you the same thing. If this is for you, register your name, your email, send me a message. I will connect with you. Starting this business, I was living paycheck to paycheck. Today now, I create another stream of income where they pay me 10K steadily every month. Paid off over 45K in credit card debt. So no more debt, no more gbese for my head. You see the beauty of it? Now I can avail to control my time, work when I want, no more overtime. So that's what I'm telling you. It's available to you to come and learn. If you are an immigrant like me, there is a solution, my people. There is an option for us. Not going to sleep overnight or do extra hours. It's good. That's where you are. But I'm telling you that while you are doing that one, come and create your own digital business that will create another stream of income for you steadily on the side, so that by the time you are ready, this income has paid a lot of us that we're able to leave our job. Others are still working. Like myself, I still work. But with this business, steadily with the income I'm making, I can decide to work few hours a week, which is good. So if this is an option for you, my dear, listen, register your name, your email, send me a message. Click the link right now. Send me a message and let me get you started. Either work, either show, either work, either show. See you on the inside.